If, as an engineer, the only value you can provide is writing code, then trust me, my friends, gone are those days. 2026 is gonna be very, very, very scary for you. 2025 was one of the best years I had in my professional journey. And here's what I did differently. Before I tell that, a little backstory. Earlier this year, I joined Wayfair to be part of the first ever payments team. They were trying to build it in India. Our goal was very simple. We had to take download from the OG German team and we had to set up a new team in India who can build and scale payments in India. And during this transition, I grew exponentially. I grew not because I was able to write better code, but I showed a deep ownership for things that were happening around me. Second, I pushed myself to understand more things in less time. Third, if something mattered, right, I always went there. I added extra efforts even when I was not asked. Fourth, I started thinking products from a user's perspective. Whatever we are building, is it correct? Does it make sense for users? And does it even align from our product and business goals? Last but not the least, I started focusing a lot on system design. System design from a front end perspective, system design from a back end perspective, and in general, a whole big picture. Sorry. Doing these things shifted my mindset from being an average engineer or a coder to be a smart engineer. The hard truth is 2026 is gonna be hard. AI is today able to generate a lot good code, bug free code in very less time span. And in order for us to be still relevant in this market, we need to come out from that coder mindset or a mindset in which you give us a PID, we can just code it out and our job is done. No, that's not the case. Here are 5 things you should follow to be a smart engineer. 1. Take ownership of things. Take ownership of things outside Jira. So come out of that Jira ticket and don't think that this is only what you can, you have to do. Think what value you can provide on the table. Second, for sure, think things from a user's endpoint perspective. Gone are the days when you are given a Figma file, you are given a PRD, and you just write code, and your work is done. No, those days are gone. Thinking from a user's perspective, providing value is very important. Third, learn system design. If you are into front end, your first goal to be learn front end system design. If you are from backend perspective, if you are in backend, right, learn system design from a backend perspective. Also learn system designs from a in general perspective, how both the things will piece together. Then fourth, instead of asking the question how, now your question should be why. Why are we building this instead of how should we build this? How is very simple, right? Now, why is the right question. And fifth, stay close to problem. Emphasizing on the word problem. Stay close to problem and not the implementation. If you follow these 5 things, you will be able to be a smart engineer who can beat AI and will be relevant in this market or in this space of IT. I sincerely urge you follow these 5 things. Take ownership, think from a user's perspective, learn system design, ask why, not how, and stay close to problem and not implementation. Follow these things, and I hope you have a blissful year ahead. Thank you.